Hi everyone, this is Umang Vatsaltyagi and you are watching Relaxation Series Episode 3. So in today's episode we have Sitali Pranayama. In Sitali Pranayama you need to manipulate your tongue in such a way that forming a U kind of a shape like this. Now after forming this shape, you need to inhale through your tongue. Then hold your breath as much as you can comfortably. Then exhale slowly through your nostrils like this. This is Sitali Pranayama. Now there are a lot of benefits of doing Sitali Pranayama. One of the major benefits is it helps you in fever, in high fever. In high fever, when we have high fever, our body's temperature rises. By doing Sitali Pranayama, you can balance your body's temperature in very short amount of time. It also helps you control your hunger and thirst. Due to uncontrollable hunger, we eat more, right? We eat more and in turn, we end up getting fat. So Sitali Pranayama helps you in controlling your hunger and in turn helping you reduce your body's fat. Apart from this, there are a lot of benefits as well. It helps in glandular disorders, in disorders of spleen and disorders of bile. Bile helps in digestion as well, but apart from digestion, it is also responsible sometimes for the formation of kidney stones. So for that purpose, Sitali Pranayama is very useful. Now try it yourself and share experiences in the comment section. And please spread this video to all so that it helps them as well. Thank you and I'll see you soon. Namaste.